The Midlands Regional Exhibition was a huge success, offering students from Aston Hall, the Potteries, Middleport Pottery, and the National Museum Cardiff campus a chance to showcase their remarkable achievements and superb work. Aston Hall students worked collaboratively to plan, design, and curate the exhibition. Each student had the opportunity to gain hands-on experience in the job role of their choice, from curating, catering, to digital exhibition design. A private view attended by students from the Potteries, parents, and fellow artists marked the exhibition's opening. It was amazing to see Pinc students from across different sites have so much fun together. Comic artists and Pinc supporters Alex and Bea summed it up brilliantly in their opening speech from the event. They said, "We think Pinc's message is a really important one. It's about time young neurodivergent artists were celebrated, and we're very proud to play a part in that."